Farming. Farming is quickly becoming a high-tech job as farmers attempt to figure out ways to increase crop production to feed the world's growing population. Arable land is diminishing and climate change is threatening crop yields. So farmers are using big data analytics to better monitor, manage, and understand their outputs. For example, Climate Corporation, a San Francisco-based startup, offers a cloud-based service that looks at soil quality and weather data to help determine the best places and conditions to plant, and constantly sends updates to farmer systems to help them better understand their crop yields. Construction. The construction industry involves many specialized sectors. These sectors form part of the construction engineering. They include airports, bridges, roads, houses, hospitals, etc. In almost all of these sectors, there's an interrelationship between the kinds of skills required. For example, to build a house, we not only need a carpenter, but we also require an architect, a mason, and a plumber. In order to make work easier and more accurate, many computer software applications have been developed to optimize the interrelationships. The software applications have helped to reduce the risk of injuries, as well as effectively making work less laborious and cheaper. These applications have also led to more green and energy-saving designs. Computers and the art of computing have revolutionized the construction industry. Carpentry. In the specialized field of carpentry that involves woodworking skills in the making of furniture, buildings, and other objects out of wood, a variety of computer software and hardware innovations have been produced. Through computer software applications, carpenters have been able to involve their clients to produce more user-friendly and personalized goods and services. Carpenters also use software that have been specifically formulated to calculate the level of strain that a certain kind of material can withstand. Through software analysis, carpenters can determine where to use wooden legs as opposed to metal legs so they can support the maximum weight requirements of a piece of furniture. It's now possible for woodworkers to design their furniture using computers and then use these computer-generated images to sell their products before launching production. Cooking and culinary arts. Our new gadgets and the connective capabilities that accompany them are drastically changing the way we cook. Smartphones are changing how we think about grocery shopping. Search engines are changing how we think about recipe finding. Video sites, almost as ably as grandma, are teaching us how to cure bacon and chop an onion and truss a chicken. Most cooks believe that in 15 years, more people will learn how to cook from online videos than from their parents. Many modern artists use high-technology equipment in their artwork. Whereas traditionally, artists used a pencil or brush to make beautiful works of art, artists in the early 21st century are now using sound, video, and computer-generated images. Digital art ranges from pieces developed from simple patterns and shapes, made using computer programs, to finished works of art, which can look as realistic as a watercolor or oil painting. Modern art exhibitions often include more videos and installations than traditional painting or drawings. Artists using traditional techniques increasingly use modern technology, such as the internet, to display their works and communicate with other artists. Modern technology provides a means for artists to create works faster with more tools than ever before. Lillian Schwartz is an artist who has a long history of using computer technology to experiment ways of creating and manipulating works of art. She's also written extensively about the topic of computer influence in art and about art produced by computers.